What's up, YouTube? Thanks for watching my video today. And in this video, we're going to cover everything about Bing ads and how you can get started from scratch or start building your list from scratch with as little as $5 using Bing ads to build your, like I said, build your email list and sell any types of products you want. You know, if you the first time this is blah, 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 this is the first time you're on my channel. You guys don't know who I am. My name is Durant Richardson. I have a blog at richdurant.com. No, I'm not rich, but you know, I do internet marketing and I pay a lot of money to learn things. And now I just want to give them all away and share them with you guys and just share some of the things I've learned or and that I keep learning without without charging. So that's why I'm opening this channel. That's why I'm actually doing this three-part Bing training series for you guys, so that whatever MLM business you're in or whatever product you're trying to sell, whether you're a newbie or veteran or whatever the case is, you're going to get some value out of this, because I'm going to show you exactly how to start from scratch, how to launch your first Bing ad, how to track everything, how to discover what keywords people are actually typing in Bing, how to use those keywords to craft your ads, how to lower your CTR using those keywords, which we call security strings, and we're going to find all that out with tracking, and I'm going to show you how to set all that up. So I hope you guys get some good value out of this. Now, enough of me rambling. I'm going to get right into the first video, so let's do it. Let's get rocking now. Here we are in the tracker that we're going to use, and it's called bemob. All right, and this video is going to be about the whole video is going to be about setting up tracking so that we can track everything that we do when we're running these ad campaigns. All right. Second video, we're going to get into Bing ads and how to get your keywords in there, how to start make an ad group, and then how to create the ads and run them. And then the third and final video is going to be the optimization. After we run our $5 test, we're going to see what keywords people are typing in, and then we're going to be able to craft our ads directly around those keywords that they're typing in, and that should raise our CTR and lower our ad costs, and also get us higher quality score so that maybe our ads can rank higher in Bing. And then depending on how well our ad is doing, we can go ahead and dump more money in, turn it up from $5 to $10 to 15 to 25, whatever your daily budget is, and then we can get more leads pretty much on demand and grow our business as fast as we want. So for this video, all we're talking about is tracking, and right here, this what we're looking at is a dashboard of bemob. It's totally free. It's a tracker. Works like ClickMagick, if you heard of ClickMagick before, but it has a little bit more in-depth, um, more robust tools in it. You can get more. You can track a lot more things, such as uh, locations. Other than just IPs, like locations, exact keywords, security strings, device types, operating system types, browser types, you name it. We're going to be able to track all of that, but we don't actually really need all of that for Bing. We just want to know, we just need keywords, and we need to know what people are typing in, and those are query strings, and bemob will help us track all that. So again, I'm going to leave the link below in the description here or below the video, and it's totally free. It is my affiliate link, so if you do sign up, you will be signed up under me, but it's not going to cost you any money. I'm just going to get credit for you for signing you up with bemob in case you do decide to purchase later on, but you won't have to, because you get 100,000 visits for free per month. And if you're using Bing ads, I don't see you, or don't really see you guys going over, or see you going over that amount, that visits amount, those amount of visits, unless you're spending $10,000 in ads a week or something like that. It just with the amount of clicks you're gonna be getting, if you're doing affiliate marketing or things of that nature using Bing, you're just not going to be getting over 100,000 visits. All right, it's not like you're using a PPV or anything. But anyways, again, it's totally free. I just want to be transparent with you guys. It is my affiliate link, so go ahead and click on that. Sign up. It's pretty self-explanatory. Verify your email, and then you will come to the dashboard screen here, and it's going to look like this. So the first thing we want to do actually is we're going to set up the Bing traffic network, all right, the Bing traffic source in here. So what you want to do is you want to just go to the click on the traffic source tab, and you can see I already have one, already have a couple set up here. So what you want to do is select new from template, and then of course you're going to select Bing, all right, and then the next step you want to do is check use custom parameters. Now these are the parameters that we're going to need, but we're going to change a few of these, all right. So just excuse me, just go ahead and hit save, and I'm going to open up the Bing that I use, all right. And you can see I have different parameters in here. So what you want to do is you want to pause the video and copy these parameters. Now, what these are Bing tokens, all right? These are the tokens that the Bing network uses so that it can track certain parameters for you using this tracker, right? Here's the main one that we need is query string and keyword. We can also track campaign ID and ad ID, but and also match type. All right. So, but you know, you don't have to really worry about all the technical jargon here. Just copy these parameters. Once you set up all these parameters, all right, all you have to do is hit save, and boom, your traffic source is ready to go. Bing is ready to go. It's ready to be tracked, and it's really that simple. All right. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to um, import a custom domain so that we can track everything effectively, and we're not using the domains that bemob gives us, because um, those are just for testing purposes, and we want a fresh domain so that you make sure everything gets tracked. All right, guys, here we are on the second part where we're gonna have to buy a domain so that we can bring it in to the tracker, into the bemob tracker. And what I use to do to get all my domains is Namecheap. It's the cheapest, it's fast, they're reliable, and like I said, they're really cheap and really easy to use. So all you have to do is go to namecheap.com, just start up an account, log in, and right here you see domains. And go ahead and click on that. All right. And then what you want to do is go down here to buy a great domain for 48 cents, right? Because we're just going to be tracking. We don't need a .com. We don't need a .net. We can use any domain because we're just using it for tracking. So we don't really need to spend all that extra money on, getting a .com and a .net domain, all right? Because when you have a blog or something, or if you have a website, you want to get .com because those are the most popular, and everybody's familiar with .com or .net or .org, and those are the easiest domains for people to remember. So that's why you want to get a .com for if you're doing something like that. But for something like tracking, really don't need a .com. So you can just go ahead and go to these 48 cents ones, and I would choose any one of these. One I like to use is Win. All right, and you can just go ahead and type in any domain name to see, if they're available. I do like something with track, so I know, uh, that it's going to be there. And I'm just gonna go buy it. Let's just do this. It's only 48 cents. Looks like it's 66 cents. Don't really like those two digits, but you know what? What the hell? And let's try and buy that DR track best win. All right, confirm order, and I'm gonna. All right, here we are. After we bought the domain and everything, and now we're on our dashboard. We can see the new domain I bought. And now what you're simply going to do is go over to manage, right? We're going to change some settings in here so that we can pull it in to bemob. And to do that, in order to do that, we have to change the DNS settings, okay? So once you get to this page, go ahead and click on advanced DNS. All right, and we're going to add some CNAME records so that we're going to be able to pull it into bemob, if I can even talk. All right, so just go to add new record. Actually, we can edit this. So actually, you know what? Let's just add a new record. So we're going to go to CNAME, and right here in host, we're gonna add a subdomain and we're just gonna do track. All right, that's what I like to use as a subdomain. You can use anything we want. Bmobs is go, so let's just do go. That's what they use for their default subdomain. And now all we're gonna do is we're gonna get the tracking domain from bemob and we're gonna paste it in here. Okay, so go over to your bemob and right here under tracking domains where we were, you're gonna highlight this. It's gonna be blanked out for you so you can't see it, but you're gonna highlight your domain. This is bemobtrack.com. All right, you're gonna highlight that. You just copy it, and what you're gonna do is just go over to the CNAME record and paste it in for the value, and go ahead and set it to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna hit save. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. Now, once this saves, it's gonna take about 30 minutes for the change to go through. That's what the TLL stands for. I can actually switch it to a minute to try and make it go faster, but just to be safe, to make sure all the changes push through, I want to go ahead and just put it to 30 minutes. All right, so that's pretty much all you have to do for your CNAME record. All right, I think, yep, this is pretty much it. Uh, Now we'll go to the next part where we can go ahead and set it up, and after we wait the 30 minutes, we're going to go to bemob and then pull in the domains. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then we're going to go ahead and go into bemob. We'll see you guys in there. All right, now that we bought the domain in Namecheap, we're going to go back over to bemob now. So just go over to settings. All right, so let's just say you're on the home screen, and we're going to hit settings, the sprocket up here, and we're going to tracking domains and select tracking domains. All right, now since it's been about 30 minutes, we should be able to bring the domain in. So we're just going to go ahead and put that over to bemob now. Uh, Copy. So for the subdomain, it's go, as I did earlier. Go.drtrackbest.win. Check DNS and add, and boom, you see it works, because if it didn't work, it wouldn't have the green check mark. And then we just hit close, and now you see everything's brought into bemob, and now we're ready to use it. So that's pretty much. Oh, also, for you guys, you want to hit set as main domain. All right, and that should set it your main domain as that, but for mine, I use the other one as my main domain. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now we have tracking set up. So that concludes the first video of this training series. Look out for the next video of the training series, where I'm going to show you how to set up the actual ads in Bing, where to get the keywords, and then how to run our first campaign. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you get a notification when that next video hits. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment under this video or ask in the group, in my Rich Strand VIP group. If you're not a member of the group, I'll also leave a link to the group, to the Facebook group as well, underneath the description of this video. It's totally free. It's usually reserved for people that bought products for me, or that are on my team, that have joined my team in various programs. But I will leave that link down there, down below this video, if you want to go ahead and join that for free. And in there, you'll have 24/7 access to me, and you can ask me any questions, and I can look over anything. We can get on Skype. You can, we can do a call on Skype, and I can look over your settings if you're having trouble. So like I said, I'm here to do anything I can to help you. So just again, if you need help, just join the VIP group, or leave a comment under this video, and I'll do my best to help you guys out. All right. So that being said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on video 2, where we're gonna actually launch the ads. All right. Till then, take care. Peace.